Welcome. In this video, I'm going to give you an example of the surface area formula using calculus. So the function that we're going to look at is y equals 2 square root of x. Okay, so a is going to be 1 and b is going to be 4. That means that the graph is going to look something like this. So we're going to find the area, the surface area of the solid of revolution formed by the graph 2 square root of x between 1 and 4, x between 1 and 4 and around the x-axis. So the formula for the surface area says that surface area is equal to 2 pi going from 1 to 4 of Rx 1 plus f prime of x squared dx. Notice that Rx is equal to 2 square root of x. Okay, so now Rx is equal to the distance between here and here, so that's going to be the function 2 square root of x. Okay, so now f prime of x is equal to the derivative of this, which is equal to, okay, so now that's gonna be okay, so 2 x to the minus 1/2, which is equal to 1 over x, 1 over square root of x. Now f prime of x squared, that's gonna be 1 over x. Okay, so putting this information here, we're gonna get like that. Then we pull out a 4 pi and we're left with, when we combine line terms, you're gonna get x plus 1 over x dx, and then cancel this, you're gonna get okay. Now we're gonna use u substitution to do this integral. So u is equal to x plus 1, u prime is equal to 1. Okay, so now this is equal to now we take the integral, so that should give us a over 3 and then we're gonna do x plus 1, then to the 3 half, going from 1 to 4. And of course, don't forget the pi here. And from that, we're gonna get an answer of the area is gonna be 69.969 square units. So that's all we needed to do for this problem. Using the surface area formula, we found our parameters, we plug them in, we solve the integral, and we get an answer. That's how we do this type of problem. So thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe because it really helps.